guys, welcome back to my channel once again. So on today's video I'm going to be doing a trade review. Last week trade review, how everything went and the trade I took and how it went. So I just want you guys to look at this, like this current position now, from here, from this point now to this point. Let me just show you guys something here. Might not make sense now, but it will probably make sense later. So let me just do this. For those that already know, this is head and shoulder. This is head and shoulder. I'm going to move up this point. You can see this is clear head and shoulder from right here. So this is clear head and shoulder, but that's not what we have for today. I'm going to show you guys at the end of the video why I drew this head and shoulder. So going to the current market position right here. Okay, let me go to the lower time frame, 4 hours time frame right here. So this was around on Monday. Okay, this Monday as the opening of the week, price was around this region, this candlestick now. So market opened and it went down still to at this key level, then went down. So this, I was actually waiting for an entry. This was like early in the morning, let's say 3-4 in the morning. So I was asleep then, because if I was awake I would have entered here. I was really waiting for this, but couldn't wake up before then. So I woke up, price was already heading to this next key level here. Let me if you guys have seen this. Price was already heading to, from here was heading to this key level here, this one here. So I had to wait for it to give me a break and retest. So that was where I entered here. I saw my setup, a clear setup. So I entered here. So let's go into the bits. I'm just calling it so it won't be that complicated. So if you look here, this was my entry here. Let me go to a time frame, 1 hour time frame now. So this is it. Price got here, then we tested in this candle, which I entered. This candle right here, which I entered. So it went down, it went in my direction for some time before going back up, retesting back up, and it retesting back up here again was another clear setup. So that's why I entered this candle here, and here, like it took till the next day. So when it retested here, guess GBP/USD has been slow since last week. It was just so slow. So the next day on Tuesday, I think is this on Monday? Yeah, on that same Monday it retested back up here again, and I saw this was another clear setup, which I was, let's say I was confident about it, because this was an A setup, A plus setup. I think here this is a double top, let's say here double top, which this was an A setup, this is an A plus. So give me the double top, which will confirm this my first entry. So I enter with a lower lot size, So market started doing its thing, which was so slow. Then on Tuesday, that is early in the morning, let's say Monday slash Tuesday, it went to this level. Nice. Hit my first this trade, it hit the SL for this second trade right here, which I entered with a little position because I already have this first position here. So I got stopped out here, kept watching the trade as it was kind of slow, wasn't moving that much. So I just decided to just keep everything since I have set my SL and TP. So let the market do its thing. So I left it later in the day. I came to check that hit my SL. So I went to my journal and updated everything, updated the SL and all that. So my eyes were still on the chart though, because I knew it was so slow. And looking at this now, you would see that market has been consolidating in this level, or like it has been consolidating on this level. So after my both SL was hit on Tuesday, I waited and kept clicking. On Wednesday, market came up to this level again, another entry. So I was just thinking that since this market has been consolidating, one, it has been consolidating, and two, it is so slow. It has been so slow. So I see, let me just wait, let it break out of this level from this point to this point right here. So I was just thinking, let it just break out of this level before I can start thinking of entering. But I just placed this here just to monitor because, as I said, my eyes were still on the chart though. So this entry, I didn't enter, but I just placed this here. So I'm going to delete it. Just place this so I will monitor what went on. So it was still slow, but moved into the predicted direction, went up again. This was the news on Thursday. This was Wednesday. So like I was watching it, okay, if I had entered, what would have happened? Would it have hit the SL again or still consolidate? So Wednesday, on Thursday, this was a minor news, I would say. So minor news. I was thinking like it's going to move it out of this level. So I would start looking for a setup, but the news just pushed it a little bit back to the key level right here. So I just say that's it. That's if it breaks up here and retest on this level, maybe I would think of entry. But it's closed below this key level right here. So I just said that's it. There will be no trade for the week because I don't usually like I don't trade much on Friday because after Thursday, Friday tends to be slow some days, especially when we are having this fundamental news, this high impact news. Market tends to be slow before the high impact news, then it's now push up. So sometimes I don't trade, but if it looks like something like really not too long, then I can consider entering it. So the PPI news pushed it to this level, so it started consolidating back. Then this was where it hit this. If I had taken this trade, this TP, but I didn't consider it that much because it hasn't done what I needed or was what I was waiting for. So that was it. Didn't take any other trade. So this was the two trade. This first one and this second one. This was the two trade I took for the week. So let me just delete this. Just delete them. So for this week, it's still the same thing. I will be waiting for this market to break above or below this region from this minor level to this major level. I will be waiting for the market to break above or below one of them before I start thinking of entering the trade. So I don't want this video to be too long. So after the trade review, I'll be showing you guys my idea for next week review, future review. Remember in the beginning of the video I showed you kind of a head and shoulder pattern right here, a head and shoulder pattern which I showed in the beginning of this video right here. So what I'm waiting for, like I said, what I'm waiting for is a break below or above, but I'm supporting this break above in the tune of 70% because it is likely going to break above to complete or make up this head and shoulder right here. So it's going to break up and try to come here before the testing, or it's going to break below. I'm in support of this break upward, but you know, this is the financial markets. You have to think in probability. That's the first mindset you have to use, to think in probability. So if it breaks downward, it will just be a break and then retest, then I will shoot it down from here. I will below here. So the market is likely going to shoot up, break, retest, get to this head and shoulder level before shooting back down. And if you look at this, another thing that made me choose this upward, just let me go to the lower time frame. To the lower time frame, you're going to see that this kind of forming a rising wedge. This is a kind of a rising wedge. Can I see the falling wedge? As you can see, it's kind of a rising wedge right here. And just draw on this wedge. For this to be this. As you can see. So rising wedge, it is like after doing its consolidate downward. I won't go much into this, so I just consolidate downward, consolidate, keep consolidating, see it break either above or below. That is consolidating below, is likely to do this break above. It's likely to break above. That's why I'm supporting this upward movement. It's likely to break above, then retest, either retest back on this line that I'm doing here, retest here or here, retest here, then start its uptrend. So that's why I'm supporting this kind of way. This is what I'm supporting, this uptrend in between of 70%. So that's just it. I don't want to make everything complicated or draw too much on this. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If you are still watching this video up to this point, like, I really appreciate. I don't know why you have been watching, but for the fact that you are still watching up to this point, I really appreciate you. Please like, subscribe, and if you have any question concerning this I just did right here now, just drop your question in the comments below and check the description of this video. I'll be dropping the link to my new IG account because the other one got disabled. I'll be leaving the link to my new Instagram account. So these guys, go to Instagram and follow up and like, comment. Thank you guys. I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Peace.